if you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in PUBG, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check audio settings. Open PUBG and navigate to the settings menu. Go to the audio settings and ensure that the voice chat option is enabled. Also check the input and output device settings to confirm they are set to the correct microphone and speakers. Step 2. Verify microphone permissions. Ensure that PUBG has permission to access your microphone. On Windows, go to Settings Privacy Microphone and make sure that the toggle for allowing apps to access your microphone is turned on and that PUBG is listed and enabled. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Go to Device Manager, find your audio devices, right-click and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search for and install any available updates. Step 4. Check in-game voice chat keybinds. Sometimes, the keybinds for voice chat may not be set correctly. Go to the Control section in the Settings menu and check the keybinds for voice chat. Make sure they are set to keys that you can easily access during gameplay. Step 5. Restart the game and system. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting PUBG in your gaming system. This can help refresh the game and clear any temporary glitches that may be affecting voice chat functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the voice chat issues in PUBG. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or support for additional troubleshooting tips.